our first day in Medellín. It was a really good way of feeling the city and getting our orientation in the city.
And getting a context for the place. I think also it's really easy city to get around as well. I think one of the things we felt really safe the whole time, so it's been a really good experience.
And I had actually read about the cable car as well, and how it had allowed the more marginalised communities to travel into the city centre.
Medellín is lots of really friendly, smiley people and great food.
It's colourful, it's definitely a colourful place.